Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
The Travelers Journal by Isha and Pranjal.
So today we are welcoming our first foster dog, Libra, to our family.
So everyone who's close to us knows that we are big time dog lovers and we both had a dog in past.
And the reason we are fostering a dog is because we feel that because of our busy schedule, we don't find enough time to adopt a dog full time.
It feels so good when you do something like that because you are doing social service, but side by side you are having the love of the dog. So we both are so excited and we are really looking forward to the time we'll have with the dog.
So we'll take you guys through the journey as to how to foster a dog here in New York and what are the things that you require.
And also, if you guys have any tips or you have fostered a dog in past, so please tell us in the comment section, give us your tips and we'll try to see if we can use them in future. I recently got in touch with this animal rescue organization which is Hearts and Bones, and they assigned me a dog which is a 5-year-old miniature pinscher breed dog and her name is Libra. So we are just walking her in the park and trying to make her comfortable. It's been like 30 minutes and now she's still very alert and very scared. You can see her tail. We have got her in the cage and we are going back. We have got the bed. So we have got her home and she's just trying to relax. She's very scared, just trying to see. We'll take her out and give her a house tour, but we'll let her sit down for a while. Meanwhile, we got her these training pads because we are not sure if she'll go out to poop, but she can do that inside now. And we got her treats and the food, also her bowls. So we'll just give her water and food and see if she eats anything. So she has finally settled down and I gave her a house tour, and you can see she's behind me. And I've kept a cloth on her crate so that she feels safe and she can sleep for some time. So we kept little food. She's not eating. She drank water. That's a VV pad and that's her bed. And there she is. Oh, she had her first meal. We are so happy.
And
We are giving her chicken, and now
like
you will see
she-
how excited she is.
She likes chicken.
And she's eating from hand, not from the bowl. Oh. Came out of her crate and I think she feels more comfortable with us now. Although we are not petting her because she's still scared, but good to see her here. She just got up after 1 hour of sleep and she's opening up. She came to us to pet her. Oh, she's so cute.
So we have come to our terrace garden where there is a very nice place where you could walk your dogs, and this is Libra's first walk and she certainly looks very happy.
First day evening and we are back on our terrace. Pranjal is trying to play with her. Tried to take her downstairs, but she was so scared, with each and every noise she could hear, and like she started shivering. So we thought we'll take her back to our terrace because she has been here like three times now. I was just randomly sitting on my sofa and look who came jumping up and is on my lap. She feels so comfortable. I just see that she wants to be with you all the time and she doesn't want to be alone, and I can understand that. So this is day 3 with Libra and right now I'm coming back to home from office. Yesterday I did not make any video because we were adjusting with Libra. She's super scared of everything, very sensitive, but she has opened up with us a lot. So I'll show you today how she is and how she reacts when she sees me. You hear her barking. Hey Libra!
And just look at her. And notice how nicely she'll get the leash hooked up in her collar. She sits so calmly and then she goes.
Libra, sit. Good girl. Hey guys, so it's been a week now and I've given her the longest walk outside. You can see that's the park. So she's like much more comfortable as compared to what she is on the other days. Come here, girl. Oh, she wants to play and she belongs to New York City now. So it's been 1 week with Libra. We got her last Saturday and in 1 week she has shown a great transformation and we are so happy with her.
So Libra is just so adorable and she never troubled us at home. We just completely loved having her with us for this 1 week. There's a good news that she has finally been adopted. There was somebody who came to meet her yesterday. They just loved her. And so we are so happy for Libra and we just hope that the kind of care and the kind of love that we have been giving to her, we just hope that she gets the same from them. So that is the only thing that we wish for her.
When I posted about Libra on my social media, so a lot of people ask me what's a foster dog, and when any organization rescues a dog or someone abandons a dog and comes to the shelter, so instead of keeping the dog in the shelter, they try to place the dog in a foster home before adoption, so that dog can open up and be in the natural surroundings, natural environment, and can also adapt the city life. And that's how when we thought we should foster a dog and help them coming out of their shells. And I would suggest people who are watching this video, if you can do this, please do, because it definitely helps a dog's life. This is second last day with Libra and we are very sad. So I just came back from office and I'll go in. I'm so excited to meet her. Libra. It's been 15 minutes now that I've come and she's still like that on me, just like a baby. And if I remove my hand, she won't sit again. See? Okay. So this is our last day with her and we have just come to the waterfront area, the waterfront park, and she's just enjoying.
So this is our final night at our home with Libra, and tomorrow she will be going to her forever home and starting a new life. So we wish her all the very best.
I'm really sad because in these 2 weeks she has become a part of this home and it's like sending a part of your heart away. This is our last walk with Libra and we are not happy about that. So we have just come to the park again for the morning walk and we let her play for a while.
And her new owner will be coming shortly in like 15 minutes or so.
It's been one day that Libra has gone to her forever home, and we have missed her so much. Like, she was so cuddly and just used to come with you every time, everywhere. But so happy that she found a forever home, and we hope she doesn't have to leave it now in her life. So after Libra, we are getting another foster dog. So for that, we have done all our preparations. Do watch our next video and do tell us in the comment section if you liked our video with Libra. See you guys in the next video.